Hey guys, it's me, Amber, with Badass Concealed. So hello again, thank you for stopping by on my channel. So today I'm just gonna talk about belly bands. There's so many belly bands out there. Now, today I have three just to review quickly. I have the Bravo belt, I have Can Concealment, and then I just have a off-brand, right off of eBay, holster. You also get a discount with Bravo belt or with Can Concealment, depending on which one you choose, you get a discount. So I'll post those down in the description below. So I'm just gonna hurry and put them on, talk about the features that they have. Let's start with Bravo belt. Here is your Bravo belt, has a retention band, just like this. Okay, you also have a spot for extra magazine, your firearm in the middle, a knife or a flashlight. This is actually a pretty big pocket if you ask me. So let's just go ahead and throw this on. This is how I put on my belt. I like it in the middle of my belly. I found that when I wear it a little lower on my hips, it always rises. So I want to make sure that I am comfortable. So right as I put it on, I just guide it like this, so it actually sticks to where I want it to instead of it sticking to like my shirt or something like that. So there's this for you, sorry. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so here is the Velcro that you pull on and off. Right here is your extra magazine. Right here you would have your firearm, so I would like it right in the middle. Then you have a spot for your knife. You also have a spot for a flashlight or whatever less lethal option that you choose can be in either side of the pocket. Now, you have multiple firearms that you can use with this holster, okay? It's just your personal preference. Everything to do with the holster that you choose obviously comes down to your personal preference. Three things that you need to look for is concealment, comfort, and accessibility. Those are the three things you need to think about, okay? So, let's try a little 380. First of all, you want to make sure that your firearm is unloaded for safe handling. So here's the 380. You can use the retention button. It just buttons just like that. And then you can conceal. Okay, so concealment, I would definitely give this 7 or an 8. You cannot tell. One thing that if you start to do is start to move it and get all fidgety with it, right? Then obviously to give away that you're concealing just kind of like this shirt, right? Okay, so right there you do have to pull the retention band, then pull your firearm. So there's that. There's a 380. Here is a Glock 23. Okay, one thing with this band as well, you can always tuck it behind, okay, just your skin and the holster itself. Okay, that's always an option for you. I would say if it's lower on your person or on your belly, that you would want the retention band, so if you do bend over, it's not just gonna fall out, right? It's your responsibility to make sure that your shirt is always in a correct. All right, so yeah, with the Glock 23, it's a little bit of a bigger firearm. So of course, just with any concealed or with any clothes that you have, you wanna make sure that your firearm is concealed. And have the retention button on it, or you can just tuck it behind the belt and your skin so you don't have to use that feature that they provided for you. So basically this is just what it is, just like that, okay? So this is the Bravo belt. I do like this belt. Now realize this is kind of not a natural draw. So train, practice, be responsible, okay? That's just all I have to say about it. I'm not here telling you that you need to buy this product, right? It's just your personal preference. This is what this video is for, a little bit of education for you guys, okay? So don't just like throw hate mail at me, right? That's not a good conceal holster. It's not even a natural draw. Like, I understand. It's just your personal preference. Train. That's all I have to say. Train with it. If you want to carry with this, then train with it. That's all it is, okay? You can go onto their website and look it up. So there's that. There is the Bravo belt. Now to take it off, there's obviously it's going to be a little bit different on your person depending the size, but this is technically one size fits most, okay? Then you would just pull the Velcro off and then it comes off. One thing that I do suggest is taking your firearm out of the holster before you unholster, if that makes sense. Just because you don't want it flopping around or potentially dropping, and a firearm discharge could happen at that point. So there is the Bravo belt. Okay, super nice. It says that it's breathable. Okay, can you see those holes? Technically it's breathable, but I've been running around the house and it is kind of sweaty, so just realize that. Now it is comfortable enough that I'll put it on again today, so there's that. All right, let's move on. Here is just a random one that I found online. One thing that I hate about this one is the retention button. It's slanted, okay? So, can you see that? You have to put it on this way, like it's slanted. It's kind of odd. And then from there, your firearm goes there. What I found is when I tried to unholster, it kept getting caught, and then I couldn't actually unholster in an appropriate manner or time. So, and then one thing that I found is this Velcro. I'm not in love with this Velcro at all. It's already like warped, okay? Which, I mean, it sticks, don't get me wrong, but I'm just not a fan of this. Plus, with this one right here, it does not have the breathable mesh on it, okay? So there's that. There's just the generic one. I'm not really gonna put that on to show you because it's almost the same thing as the Bravo belt, but the Bravo belt is definitely higher quality, and I would choose Bravo belt over just some random Amazon product or eBay product. Here is the Can concealment. This one right here is a medium size, and this is the Elite belly band. I love this belt just because of the style, okay? I like how cute and classy it is. Cute, classy, and sassy. Okay, so there's the Can concealment. Another thing that I love about this is it does have this adhesive backing to it, so it does not move. You could put this on your skin, you could put it on your jeans, or you could put it on your leggings. Okay, I'll show you a few ways that you can conceal carry with this, okay? All right, so since I am right-handed, I'm gonna go ahead, well, one thing I wanna point out too, is this right here. To latch these, you have these latches instead of Velcro, okay? So it's kind of a pain in the ass sometimes, but once you get it down, I mean, it's like a bra, right? One at a time, whatever it may be. Okay, so since I'm right-handed, I'm just gonna wrap this around my belly so I strap it on this way. Okay, this medium size does all go clear to the last latches for me. Okay, so do this up really fast. See, it's kind of like a pain, or I'm just like, I don't have enough skill. I don't know what one it is. Okay, so here it is. Now, one thing I do like about this is if you go to a restaurant or whatever it may be and say it shows a little bit, it's kind of cute, right? Now, people aren't automatically gonna assume, oh my gosh, she has a holster, right? No, it's cute. It's like, oh, what is she wearing, right? No, just kidding. Okay, so Can. It's gonna stay in its spot, okay? Bend over, whatever it may be, it's still in its spot. One thing, I'm just gonna tuck it down a little bit more. Okay, one thing with this that I love is, I'm gonna kind of bring you guys in a little closer. I'm gonna get in on all of this, okay? All right, drop you down. Okay, here is the Can concealment holster, okay? So cute little corset type, okay? Now one thing, you do have a spot for your extra mag. You do have a spot for your knife, your flashlight, okay? You also have a spot for, I don't really have my debit card out, but I have this thing. You have a spot for like your money, cash, whatever it may be. Whoops. Okay, put it in there, call it a day. And then also, the best feature, okay, is this little tab right here. You pull out and you just drop your firearm in there. And there you go, voila. So extra mag, okay? This right here, I'm not 100% sure what this is for. Maybe for your keys or something, but I don't like it, so I just tuck it in. Okay. There's also additional pockets back here. Pocket. Right here you have a spot for another gun. Okay, and then right here. So here you are, just dancing, grooving, what? Okay, so that's basically all. So just remember, train, practice with any holster that you get. Okay, so there's that one. I hope that helped you a little bit understand the can. Okay, I love the can. It is super nice. I love to just dry fire with this bad boy. Okay, it's super cool. Okay, now one thing with this. Now, you go to the bathroom, lift up on your can concealment holster, then do your business. Okay, so nothing's really touching. Okay, so there's that. And then once you're done, all you would have to do is just drop this down. Okay, and your gun is not going to be moving anywhere, so it's safe. So this is kind of why I like the belly bands as well, is because you don't have to remove the firearm to go to the bathroom, so on and so forth. So there's that. Now also, another way to conceal carry with this is if you just, okay, so basically it's just inside of my leggings at this point. Okay, I'll kind of drop you down a little so you can see. So obviously it's still extra mag right here, firearm, knife, flashlight, and I can still get to my firearm, then I am able to. So there's that. Okay, you want to make sure that your finger's off the trigger so you don't accidentally shoot yourself. So the comfort with the can concealment, I would rate this an 8. 8 or 8, I'd say an 8. Okay, it's got the comfort, accessibility, and concealment. Okay, so there's that. Now again, this is just all your personal preference. So depending on which depending on which holster that you choose, that's just up to you. Okay, again, to take it off, you could just pull it up out of the pant line, unsnap it, and it's off. Okay, woo! My flashlight fell out. Okay, so there is your can concealment. So can, I definitely give it an 8. Bravo belt, I would technically give it an 8 as well. Again, it's just your personal preference. I seriously hope that this video has helped you understand which belly band that you would like to choose. Again, down below I have discount codes for you. It also helps me. I am a brand ambassador for Can Concealment and also Bravo Belt. I just want to say thank you to those amazing companies to have me on your team as a brand ambassador. So I appreciate that, and I hope this video has helped you in purchasing which belly band that you would choose. I do recommend having just multiple options, so I would say just buy both. All right, guys, I hope you all stay safe, and I hope that you subscribe, please, and I'll see you next time on this channel. Bye.